For this first ride, we take another look at the 2018 Yamaha YZ125. So what's new on the Yamaha YZ125? Beyond blue wheels, it's another year of bold new graphics. With that said, here's some things that we do like about the bike. The fun factor is through the roof for riders who don't mind working for it. This smoker handles like a dream. A good YZ125 rider can put it wherever he wants and anywhere on the track. It is light and has decent power at high RPM. It is crazy to think that 12-year-old Kayaba suspension components are still in the running for the best suspension crown. Kayaba has made a plethora of different air and spring forks over the last decade, but they can't match SSS suspension. It's almost like having your grandmother's secret meatloaf recipe. Not to say that you can't make this bike competitive. We have tested pipes, changed the reed cage, and even gearing to get this bike closer to the competition. We do commend Yamaha for keeping the two-strokes alive. Yamaha has kept two-strokes in production when all the other Japanese manufacturers decommissioned them. We can only hope that improvements are on the way and coming soon for the Yamaha YZ125. Yamaha is in the best position to attack the market with a passion and get this bike closer to being competitive with other manufacturers' models. We don't mind that the YZ125 chassis has flaws. Every bike has its imperfections. We just don't like that Yamaha has neglected this tiddler for the last 12 years. When you combine the supple forks with the snappy YZ125 power band and light chassis, bumps aren't even in your forethought. The clutch can take a beating. Beginner or pro, the Kayaba SSS suspension components are the best suspension money can buy. Luckily for you, it comes stock on the entire Yamaha line. With a tried and true bulletproof design and at 200 pounds, the Yamaha YZ125 is easy to ride and very agile. We think this bike still has a purpose. It suits newcomers to the big bike class splendidly. As much as we criticize the YZ125, we are mostly critics of Yamaha's lack of R&D. When we are in the saddle of a YZ125, we put the boardroom complaints behind and have a smile from ear to ear. If you are a serious racer, the 2018 YZ125 isn't up to the standards of its fellow 125 two-strokes. We don't think it is too much to ask Yamaha to make some updates to the chassis and engine. We believe it is still possible to teach this old dog new tricks. To see more on the YZ125 and other 2018 models, head over to motocrossactionmag.com. And if you want to see more two-stroke videos like this, check these out.